Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to review the 2025 Audi RS Q8, a high-performance luxury SUV that pushes boundaries with its aggressive styling, state-of-the-art technology, and heart-racing performance. Let's dive right in. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 RS Q8 immediately commands attention. Audi has refined its design language for this model, resulting in a bold, athletic stance that blends elegance with aggression. The front fascia features the iconic, oversized single-frame grille paired with razor-sharp LED headlights that give the car a menacing look. Muscular body lines, a wide, dynamic stance, and sculpted surfaces not only enhance its visual appeal but also hint at the power that lies beneath the hood. It's a design that tells you this isn't just any SUV, it's built for performance. Speaking of performance, Audi has not held back under the hood. The 2025 RS Q8 is expected to be powered by a twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering roughly 600 horsepower. This powerhouse is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring blistering acceleration and exceptional handling. Whether you're launching off the line or carving through twisty roads, the RS Q8 provides a driving experience that's both exhilarating and refined. The suspension and chassis tuning strike a balance between sporty agility and everyday comfort, making it a versatile option for both spirited driving and long-distance cruising. Moving into the cabin, Audi's commitment to luxury and innovation is clear. The interior of the RS Q8 is a blend of high-quality materials and modern design. Premium leather, Alcantara accents, and brushed aluminum details create a refined yet sporty atmosphere. The driver-centric cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster that displays real-time performance data, ensuring you're always connected to what the car is doing. The large central infotainment touchscreen integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping your favorite apps and navigation at your fingertips while on the move. Technology plays a key role in enhancing the overall driving experience. The 2025 RS Q8 comes loaded with advanced driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a suite of safety features that work in harmony to provide peace of mind. Audi's virtual cockpit and head-up display ensure that all critical information is right in your line of sight, reducing distractions and letting you focus on the road ahead. This blend of cutting-edge tech and performance is what sets the RS Q8 apart in the competitive luxury SUV segment. Now, let's talk about the price. Based on early estimates, the 2025 Audi RS Q8 is expected to start at around $115,000. While this places it at the higher end of the market, the price reflects its advanced performance capabilities, premium craftsmanship, and the innovative technology that Audi is known for. For those seeking a vehicle that combines the practicality of an SUV with the thrill of a high-performance sports car, the RS Q8 is a compelling choice. In summary, the 2025 Audi RS Q8 is a masterful blend of power, luxury, and technology. Its striking exterior design, roaring engine, and tech-rich, driver-focused interior come together to create an SUV that not only stands out but also redefines what performance luxury can be. Whether you're an Audi enthusiast or simply in search of an SUV that delivers both style and substance, the RS Q8 is set to impress on every level. Thanks for watching this review of the 2025 Audi RS Q8. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please hit the like button, subscribe for more automotive insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What feature of the RS Q8 excites you the most? Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the ride.